I got into veganism out of my own need to heal. I had massive candida from 3 ectopic pregnancies, and my body was in really bad shape. And the doctor told me I needed to become vegan, and that's really what got me started. This is a bit about my story.
This is me at 21. A defiant meat eater, I was fighting myself and fighting life. At 31, I've been vegan for 6 years, and I have well recovered from near-death female issues earlier on in my life. At 41, I was 9 years raw vegan. So at 41, I had been vegan for 16 years total at this point, and I was experiencing regeneration of mind, body, and soul. And now at 51, I've been vegan for 27 years. I feel fully empowered, in service, and on purpose.
In all these years since I healed from the female issues in my mid-20s, I haven't even had a cold, haven't been sick at all. My passion now is to share this with people and to know that there is another way to heal mind, body, and spirit, and to discover our deeper gifts, and to share my skill, my passion as a naturopath, as an intuitive, is to be of the highest service to me, which brings me the most happiness.
Ah, yeah.